In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to transfer your ChatGPT data to Genspark AI step by step, including how to log in and import everything the right way. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're switching from ChatGPT to Genspark AI, or simply want your previous conversations available inside Genspark, this tutorial is for you. I'll explain every step clearly, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can follow along without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Genspark AI website. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner. You'll usually see multiple login options, such as continue with your Google account, continue with your email address, or other available sign-in methods. Choose the option you prefer and complete the login process. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Genspark dashboard, where you can access different AI tools and your workspace. Step 2. Export your ChatGPT data. Now open ChatGPT in another browser tab and sign into your account. Go to Settings, then open Data Controls and select Export Data. ChatGPT will prepare your account data and send you a download link by email. Open the email, download the zip file, and extract it on your computer. Inside, you'll find your exported conversations and other account data. Return to your Genspark AI dashboard. If your version of Genspark includes an import or upload chat history feature, select it and choose the exported ChatGPT file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import. If your version doesn't currently support direct ChatGPT imports, don't worry. You can still upload the exported files as reference documents or copy important conversations into new Genspark projects. This allows Genspark to use your previous work as context while you continue building new ideas. After importing or uploading your content, organize everything into folders or projects. For example, you can create separate sections for YouTube scripts, AI prompts, business ideas, coding projects, research notes. Keeping everything organized makes it much easier to find information later and helps Genspark provide better responses based on your uploaded content. Before deleting anything from ChatGPT, make sure you've verified that all your important files and conversations have been downloaded successfully. It's also a good idea to keep a backup copy of your exported zip file in cloud storage or on an external drive, so you always have access to your data if you need it in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to transfer your ChatGPT data to Genspark AI step by step. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.